A toll rate reduction will bring relief to the areas within the NLEX axis, particularly Metro Manila, North Luzon, Central Luzon, kayabi na ingekatang probinsyang Pampanga. It is expected to bring down the cost of rice and basic food items and construction materials. Malaking biyaya ang bawas singil sa lahat na bumabiyahe sa NLEX, lalo na sa pagtalo ng presyo ng langis sa buong mundo. At malaking tulong din ito sa pagsisikap natin maghatid ng abot-kayang pagkain sa bawat mesa. We expect that the benefits to the public of a toll rate reduction will be immense, specifically on the cost of basic food items. Metro Manila and the several areas in the Calabar zone depend on haulers whom we have invited today and food producers from Central Luzon and Northern Luzon for their rice, meat, poultry, and vegetable needs. And in egg basket of Central Luzon, Manila, Minalin, more than 50% of Metro Manila's egg supply comes from the Minalin egg basket, Kete King, Pampanga. Lower rate tolls means lower transport cost for producers and haulers. Sa baba ng singil sa NLEX, inaasahan nating bababa ang gastos sa pagdadala ng pagkain sa Kamaynilaan. Hinihiling natin sa mga mangangalakal na makikinabang sa bawas ng singil na partihan naman ang mamimili at saka ang magsasaka. Bawasan sana ang presyo ng pagkain at dagdagad ang bayad sa magsasaka. Marapat lamang makinabang ang lahat sa ating walang patid na pagsisikap, bawasan ang gastos ng tao at negosyo. With a toll rate reduction at the NLEX, transport fares charged by the major bus operators within Central Luzon and Metro Manila and Northern Luzon will hopefully remain at the 2004 level. The toll rate reduction will hopefully impact on the cost of construction materials being moved to Metro Manila, Cavite, Rizal, and Laguna. The resulting stability of the toll rates will generate for NLEX motorists these additional benefits. First, there shall be no increase of toll rates within the next 2 years and 6 months. And second, subsequent increases shall be in smaller increments owing to the new adjustment rate formula that is no longer subject to foreign exchange fluctuations. Pasibayo, maya pa oras, karing tao keti, King Matagumpe, a produksyon yu, King Ebon, at aliwo King Ebon, karing aliliwing produkto na ning agrikultura. And let us thank the MNTC for agreeing to this toll rate reduction. Saup tamongan, ban ayabot ta, dingke katamong paninap, asundo taya ing pamanangat ni ekonomiya at akam tantamo ing malabontan a panyulong. Mabuhay Pampanga, mabuhay Minalin, dakala salamat kay Kong.